Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you all the details of the new DACIA Sandero Stepway. So this is the new 2023 model with the new logo. You can also spot the new logo on this key. So look at this, very nice key. And the Stepway version is more robust compared to the standard Sandero. This is, by the way, the orange Atacama color, which is available on the Stepway. And this model once again has the new logo, which you see here, D and C letters, like the links of a chain. Looks very nice. Stepway lettering, so that you don't mistake it for anything else, but you will not, because this car has more robust bumper compared to the standard Sandero. Y shape of daytime running LEDs, looking very nice indeed. And yeah, overall I really love the styling. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it? And now also the grille is updated. You see the pattern here follows the pattern of the new badge and then connects here with the lights. So overall I think very nice and clean design. Moving on to the side, the Stepway version is actually a bit longer than the standard Sandero. So this car has 4 meters 9.9 centimeters and the ground clearance 174 millimeters, which is 41 millimeters more compared to the Sandero. Let me show you the wheels. So these are actually the wheel caps. So very clever design, because they do look like they are standard alloy wheels. The tires here 205/60 R16, that's the dimension. Very robust wheel arches, and I quite like this design detail here on the side, and also the side skirts. You notice that they are once again very robust. The roof rails, they do have the special feature. You can just move this and then you can configure the roof rails in opposite way. So that way you have really practical car, and you can do it with the tool that you get with the car. So it's a big thumb up from me. Here from the rear you notice the beautiful signature of those rear lights. You see those, very easily recognizable on the road. Sandero is now here, as you can see, like the sticker, and then the new DACIA lettering, which looks very nice and modern. Overall, great appearance on the road. Do you agree with me? And the rear bumper has this sort of like the protective part here, and of course here are the sensors. The rear view camera that this car has is located in here. Let me show you the car from this angle. Do share your thoughts with me. How do you like the exterior design? And now it's time that we check out the trunk. There we go, 328 liters. Here you do have some additional room, and this is the tool that you use to change the position of the roof bars. Here are the hooks for your shopping bags on both sides, so it really is practical indeed. And now it is time that we check out the interior, so let's go. You see also, I forgot to show you the wing mirrors, which have this satin finish, which I quite like, and goes with the finish on the roof bars, so that's cool. Now here you see the pattern here. You will see this pattern also on the dashboard. This is divided into two sections. Here are the seats with the very cool design, actually. Quite like this headrest design as well. Looks like it is integrated into the seat itself. This is new, so the DACIA lettering on the steering wheel instead of the old logo. I think this looks very nice and fresh in my opinion. And now it's time that we check out the view from driver's perspective. Starting with a wider view, once again this beautiful new lettering on the steering wheel, and in front of us the analog cluster and the smaller screen between the dials, main touchscreen, and this is the layout here, but let's see it with a different view. Alright then, and now I've turned on the car. Now you can see the 8-inch screen as well. We will go through the infotainment system in a moment. Here you have the USB port, and also there is this special feature. You see this is the holder for the smartphone, so you can attach it, this piece here, and then attach the cell phone to it as well. The air vents are located below this screen. They have a very nice design and they feel nice actually under the hand. This is some cloth material, same pattern as on the doors. I really love the fact that of course the AC is on switches, so big thumb up from me. Change the temperature in here, USB port, 12-volt power supply, some additional storage room, 6-speed manual, and electronic parking brake. This is to open the sunroof. Look at this. So we do have the sunroof in this model. I will now close it, and here are the cup holders. In the middle, some additional storage room. I'm not sure if camera will catch it. I think yes. So here you have the hook for your shopping bag in here as well, and this is the glove compartment. Now it is time that we check out the infotainment system. So this is your home screen. You can actually press this and then you have like the screensaver. Turn on the system itself again, and once again the home screen settings can be adjusted here. So a bunch of settings are available here. Then the display settings, day mode, night mode, which has adjusted brightness of course, and here's where you can adjust the audio, devices, and the system settings. Let's go back. Radio, here are the list of stations. Of course you can add the new ones, have the list here as well. And media, of course you would need the media, some kind of USB for example for your music. Phone connection and vehicle settings are here, so you can turn on of course rear view camera. You do want that. I can actually show you how that looks. Let's put the car in reverse. There we go. Now you get the view from the rear view camera. You can also adjust some things here. So those were the park assist settings. Obstacle detection can also be adjusted here. You can actually change the sound type of the obstacle detection. Drive assist, active braking, and blind spot. So this car does have the blind spot assist. And driving eco, the car will give you the grades for driving. Now I drove it on the rush hour here in Zagreb, so obviously the results are not so good here. But yeah, you can also have the eco coaching, where the car would then like tell you what to do. Now let's go back. Navigation. There we go. You can also change the views, and see here various views are available. Let's go back, and here's where you can also adjust the view. Now smartphone integration is here, and that's pretty much it when we talk about the infotainment system. So it's very easy to use it. It's very responsive as well. Let me show you the sun visors. There we go. Hello. Lights here. The sun visor for the passenger. And once again, the sunroof. You can also do this, but let's keep it open. I think it's nicer. And now we are ready to explore the rear bench. And first of all, the angle of opening, look at this, it is very good. Here you do have the button to open the window and the small storage room. But let's jump on board and see this. So just about right, you do have the 12-volt power supply in here. It is a bit dark, so I'm not sure how much camera is catching. But yeah, you see also some storage room. And let me show you the situation for my head. This is the view on the front. And this is the situation for my head. Now follow my hand here. You see the clever design of the roofline. It goes up in this section. That way I still have some room left for my head. I'm 1.87 m. Time to check out under the bonnet. Pull this. You also have to pull this here. And there we go. And now I'll be back with you, as we do not have hydraulic struts, so give me one moment. So the model in our video has got the 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 90 horsepower. It is paired with the 6-speed manual. Other option currently in Croatia is the B-fuel LPG version. So tell me in the comments, what would be your choice for this car? Alright guys, so that was it. I hope that you liked this video. Do subscribe as we're now going on a point of view test drive, so stay tuned for that and see you on the next one. Bye bye.